Soft, fresh, and a little bit crispy. Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my channel, Chinata TV. If you're new here, this channel, I do unboxing videos like today. I do Germany immigration information and healthy tips. If you love my kind of content, please do stick around. Today, we are going to be unboxing together this Grundig bread toaster. This is a special bread toaster because it has a place where you can defrost food in case the food is frozen. You can also reheat after toasting and you can then toast. It has setting buttons ranging from 1 to 7, but I discovered at the setting that from 1 the bread gets crispier, then as you go down 4, 5, 6 the bread doesn't get crispy. So it depends on the type of toasted food that you love. If you love it crispy, start from 1. If you love it less crispy, you go to 4, 5, 6. And then 7 is just to toast the bread and make it heat where you reheat the food. Okay. This bread toaster is a German product. It also has 3 years guarantee. We got it for 25 euros. Okay. And it has a base like you can see, and also a top where it helps to hold the bread together once it's done. Once it's done, the bread pops up, okay, and you see that it is ready. You can reheat if you want to, and you can also have it so, okay. Thank you so much for watching to this point. If you love this video, do not forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe if you've not done so. Until my next video, I'll see you then. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.